Hello, everyone. Today, I'll be talking about one of the most graceful and iconic animals in nature, the deer. From their majestic antlers to their swift movements, deer are fascinating creatures that play an important role in many ecosystems. In this presentation, we'll explore their physical traits, habitats, behaviors, and significance in the natural world. Physical characteristics. Deer are known for their slender bodies, long legs, and large, expressive eyes. Male deer, or bucks, are especially recognizable by their antlers, which they shed and regrow each year. These antlers are not just decorative, but also serve as tools for defense and dominance during mating season. Depending on the species, deer can range in size from the tiny poodoo, standing only 14 inches tall, to the massive moose, which can stand over 6 feet tall at the shoulder. Habitat and range. Deer are incredibly adaptable and can be found on nearly every continent except Antarctica and Australia. They inhabit a wide range of environments, including forests, grasslands, mountains, and even urban areas. Their adaptability allows them to survive in both hot and cold climates, making them one of the most widespread groups of mammals. Diet and behavior. Deer are herbivores, primarily feeding on leaves, grass, fruits, and twigs. They are most active during dawn and dusk, a behavior known as crepuscular activity, which helps them avoid predators. Deer are social animals and often live in herds, although the size and structure of these groups can vary depending on the species and environment. Role in ecosystems. Deer play a crucial role in their ecosystems. As herbivores, they help control vegetation growth and contribute to seed dispersal through their feeding habits. Additionally, they are a key food source for predators like wolves, bears, and big cats, maintaining the balance of the food chain. Here are 20 fun facts about deer. Worldwide presence. Deer are found on every continent except Antarctica and Australia, thriving in diverse environments like forests, grasslands, and mountains. Antler growth. Male deer grow antlers every year, shedding and regrowing them in a continuous cycle. Antlers are among the fastest-growing tissues in the animal kingdom. Velvet antlers. When deer antlers are growing, they are covered in a soft, fuzzy skin called velvet, which supplies nutrients and blood. Deer vision. Deer have wide-set eyes, giving them a field of vision of around 300 degrees to spot predators. Excellent swimmers. Despite their land-based lifestyle, deer are strong swimmers and can cross rivers or lakes when needed. Silent walkers. Deer have a unique arrangement of bones and muscles in their legs that allows them to walk almost silently, helping them evade predators. Communication with tails. Many deer species use their tails to communicate, flicking them as a warning signal to others in the herd. Digestive masters. Deer are ruminants, which means they have a four-chambered stomach to help digest tough plant material like twigs and leaves. Fawns are scentless. Baby deer, called fawns, are born without scent to avoid detection by predators. Camouflage champions. Fawns are often born with white spots on their coats, helping them blend into dappled sunlight in forested areas. Speedy sprinters. Deer can run up to 40 miles per hour for short bursts to escape predators. Impressive jumpers. Deer can leap as high as 10 feet and as far as 30 feet in a single bound. Social structure. Many deer live in herds, usually led by a dominant female or male, depending on the species. Seasonal coat changes. Deer coats change with the seasons, lighter in summer and darker, thicker in winter to keep them warm. Whitetail signals. The white-tailed deer gets its name from the underside of its tail, which it flashes as a signal of danger. Global variety. There are over 90 species of deer, including well-known ones like the white-tailed deer, red deer, and reindeer, caribou. Reindeer are unique. Both male and female reindeer grow antlers, a trait not found in most other deer species. Big antlers, big status. In some species, the size of a male deer's antlers is a sign of dominance and attracts mates. Silent rutting. During mating season, known as the rut, male deer fight for dominance, but rarely cause serious harm to each other. Ears on alert. Deer have highly mobile ears that can rotate independently to detect sounds from multiple directions simultaneously. These fascinating traits make deer one of nature's most adaptable and intriguing animals. Conclusion. In conclusion, deer are remarkable animals known for their beauty, agility, and importance in the natural world. Their ability to adapt and thrive in various environments is a testament to their resilience. I hope this presentation has given you a deeper appreciation for these magnificent creatures. Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe.